How to fix ThinkPhone 25 camera crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And again click on see all apps. Now here you can see the option camera. Now click on it and you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and click on reset options. Now here you can reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.